Hello and welcome once again to Enuani Cultural Forum. In case today is your first time of coming across any of our videos, please subscribe to our channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome to Enuani Cultural Forum. Today we'll be taking on some common questions you can be asked in Enuani dialect of the Igbo language. You know, Enuani dialect is just a sub-dialect of Igbo language. Even in that Enuani, we have sub-dialects of Enuani. I'm using the sub-dialect of Obolo to speak Enuani. And we're going to be looking at questions like, Kebwafai, what is your name? Kebwafai. Some dialects of Enuani will say, Gibwafa, Gi instead of Ki. The answer will now be Apambo. My name is. Some will say Ahambo. Some dialects of Enuani will call it Aha instead of Afa. Those are Olu. Makani Igbo asu n'onu n'onu. Another question is Mbashone ke ede. How old are you? Some people will call this Asho, Aho. Mbaho one kode. How old are you? And then the answer will be Adim Mbasho ise. Now, like I already explained, some sub-dialects of Enuani will say Adim Mbaho ise. I am 5 years old. The next question is Onye mui. Igbo of Obolo dialect will say Oye. This N will be silent. Oye mui. Who are your parents? You will now answer. The next question will be Bei ke ibi. Where do you live? Some will say Kabibi instead of Bei Ibi. Those are the Ogwash, the Nri. People in Western Igbo will say Kabeibi. Some will say Ndibeye. How is your family? While those Nri people will now say Kakandibei no. I hope you enjoyed today's class. If you really did, kindly subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and then watch the subsequent videos in our channel. Share our content, leave us a comment for us to know how you feel about today's class. Thank you and do have a very wonderful day ahead.